Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about verb to be, okay, or present simple. So first of all, we need to know what is verb to be. Students, we are going to start from the beginners level, okay. Where do we use the verb to be? This is for very simple sentences, okay. Let us see first of all what is it. The first word is am. Then we have the word is, and then the third word is are. So we have three words which are am, is, and are. Okay, we use these three words in verb to be. Now we need to know how do we use them. Okay, we use verb to be after the subject. So we use verb to be after what? After the subject. Now do you know what is subject? Subject is, for example, any name, like we say Alia, we say Fatima, Sarah, Ahmad. Okay, these are subjects. Or if we talk about pronoun, so that is like subject pronoun, that is he, she, it. So with all these words, after them we use verb to be. After the subject, verb to be. A complement, a noun, or an adjective comes after verb to be. Okay, so after verb to be we will write either a noun or an adjective or object, whatever. So we are going to write after that. Now here you see verb to be, am, is, are, the present simple tense. Okay, first of all singular, then plural. What are singular ones? Like I. Okay, we use am. If we have you, okay, I say, like for example, you are a boy or you are a girl, you are singular, even then we will write the word are. And then he, she, it, with all of these we write is. The next one is plural. Now in plural we have the words we, you, they. With all of these we are going to use are. Only there is one word I. With I we will be using am. Okay, so I think this is quite clear. Only with I we will be using am. With you, with we and they we will use are. He, she, it we will use the word is. Now these are the examples. Okay, I am. If we want to see the contracted form, so that will be I am. Then he is or she is, it is, and the contractions are his, she's, its. We are, you are, they are, and the contractions are we are, you are, they are. Okay, so these are the contractions. And if we want to write the negative word, we are going to use the word, we are going to use not. Okay, like I am not, or if it is contraction, I am not, he is not, she is not, it is not. Okay, and for the contractions we have here he is not, she is not, it's not, or he isn't. It can be written in both ways. He is not or he isn't. She is not or she isn't. It's not or it isn't. Okay, the same way we have the same rule for the plurals, like we, you, they are not. And if we see here, like we can say we are not or we aren't. You are not, you aren't. They are not or they aren't. Okay, so it can be in both ways. Now we have examples here, very simple examples. I am a teacher, I am a student, I am a painter. You can write anything here. After that, the example of is, he is intelligent, so we are using adjective here, he is intelligent. Then for the plural, we will say they are students. Because it is plural, we are using the verb to be are form. How we make? For positives, we write subject, then verb to be, then complement. It can be either adjective or noun. Like in the previous example, I wrote intelligent, or I write a teacher. So it can be any of these. So these are positive sentences. Then if we see the negative sentence, subject, then verb to be, then we write not, okay, and then complement. Like I say, he is not intelligent, or he is not healthy. Okay, so we will use complement. Question, how do we make question? We write yes no questions, verb to be, then subject, then complement. For example, is he intelligent? Is he a doctor? Okay, now information questions, like all the questions which start with WH words, like what, when, where, how old, how much. Okay, all of these are in WH words, and we use these words in information questions. So how we will make? First we will write WH, then to be, then we are going to write the subject, and then question mark. WH words and uses, all of these words I have written here for your reference, like what, where, when, why, who, how old, and usage. What we use for things, where we use for places, when we use for time or days, why for reason, who for people, and how old for age. Okay, so these are the WH words and their uses. Now this is exercise, you are going to do it yourself. I hope this is very simple, it is not difficult. Like it dash cold today, am or is, or you are going to write are. It is cold today. Then I dash at home now, I am at home now. They, what we use with they? We use with they are Korean. There dash a pen on the desk, a pen, so there is a pen on the desk. My name dash Nikita, so it is my name is Nikita. We dash from Ukraine, we is plural, so we will say we are from Ukraine. Dash, that, dash, right, that is right. I dash okay, thanks. I am okay, thanks. Clara and Steve dash married, Clara and Steve are married. She dash an English teacher, so she is singular, we will say she is an English teacher. Okay, so here I gave you examples. You are going to create your own examples. You can make your own examples. Okay, and better if you want to practice negative sentences, you can make similar sentences into negative, like you can change them into negative. Like it is cold today, you can say it isn't cold today. I am at home now, I am not at home now. Okay, so you can convert this for your practice. Then you can convert them into questions. First yes no questions, then you can make WH questions. If you are going to do all this practice, then verb to be will be perfect. For writing any paragraph, what you need is verb to be. This is the most important thing to learn. Okay,